BarkBox is a monthly subscription service delivering treats and toys to your doorstep. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Your dog will never complain you about your caring. Your company is the best thing your dog wants and loves, but what about him when you are not around? BarkBox subscription gives your dog a new whole level of experience. BarkBox is a kind of box that is filled with high-quality treats and toys that are made from natural products, ensuring maximum customer satisfaction. This box is creating a new trend with custom-themed toys, treats, and rewarding your dog constantly. If you want to relax while you are working at your office and want to make sure that your dog is enjoying itself and having good food, then BarkBox is a perfect service for you. BarkBox has categorized its box sizes according to the sizes of the dogs. When you order for a BarkBox, every month it sends 4 to 6 custom items to you for your puppy. These items usually contain 2 innovative and super fun toys, 2 fully natural organic food, 1 dog chew. Another notable fact about BarkBox contents is that it offers fun-themed boxes each month that often matches the season during holidays, expects holiday-themed toys and treats your pooch can play with. You must be worried about the quality of the contents, as BarkBox provides treats and toys from trusted vendors who use the highest quality ingredients. For full review, please go through the link provided in the description of the video. Bye.